Happy morning, children. Welcome to our next session in subtraction. The last session, you have learned how to solve problems that involves both addition and subtraction. Now, in this session, you are going to learn two things. One is what is the relation between addition and subtraction, and you are going to know how to check your subtraction sum. First, let us learn the relation between addition and subtraction. Look at a simple example. You have 4 plus 3 is 7. Here 4 and 3 are the addends and 7 is the sum. When you subtract 7 minus 3, you are getting 4, and 7 minus 4, you are getting 3, which means when you subtract any one number from the sum, you will get the other number. Am I right? This is applicable for any number of digits. Now say for example, take a 3-digit number. I am going to add 133 plus 123. So let's see what is the sum here. As you know, write the place values, ones, tens, hundreds. So what is 3 plus 3? It is 6. 3 plus 2? 5. And 1 plus 1? 2. So your answer is 256. Now what is the relation? Now if I subtract any one addend, here 133 and 123 are called the addends and 256 is the sum. Now if I subtract any one addend from the sum, see here I am writing 256. I am going to subtract the addend 123. So let's see what I am getting. Start from the ones place. Ones, tens, hundreds. 6 minus 3. What is 6 minus 3? Raise up 6 fingers, fold 3. So your answer is 3. And what is 5 minus 2? It's again 3. 2 minus 1? 1. So are you getting the other addend? Yes. Now let's check. I'm going to subtract the other addend from the sum. Here the sum is 256. I'm writing the place values. I'm going to subtract the other addend 133. So let's see what I'm getting. Subtract. So ones place. 6 minus 3 is 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. So am I getting the other addend? Yes. Am I right? So this is the relation. When you have a addition sum, if you subtract any one of the addend from the sum, you will get the other addend. This is the relation and this is applicable for any number of digits. Is it clear, children? Now we move on to the second part, that is how to check your subtraction is right or wrong. So let's see. Say for example, if you want to subtract 4226 minus 2114. So how you have to subtract? First write the place values, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Write the first number 4326. Write the second number 2114. So let's subtract. So first start from the ones place. 6 minus 4. Raise up 6 fingers, fold 4. So your answer is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. So your answer is 2212. Now what we have to find out? Whether this subtraction sum is right or wrong. So how to check my subtraction is right or wrong? What you have to do is, you have to add these two, which is the sum, the difference, and the smaller number you have to add. If you add, you have to get this bigger number. If you get the bigger number, then your subtraction is right. So let us check. I am writing the sum first. The difference first. 2212. And then I want to add with the smaller number 2114. Let me add and we have to find out whether we are getting the bigger number. Let us add. 2 plus 4 is 6. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 plus 2 is 4. So are we getting the bigger number? Yes. So when you add the difference in the smaller number, if you get the bigger number, then we can say that our subtraction is right. Let's see one more example. I want to subtract 276 from 594. 594 minus 276. So first write the place values, ones, tens, hundreds. Write the first number, bigger number 594 minus the smaller number 276. Now I want to subtract. So as you know, start from the ones place. 4 minus 6. 6 is a greater number than 4, so you cannot subtract. So regroup the tens place, make this 9 as 8 and your 4 will become 14. So what is 14 minus 6? As I told you, do the forward counting from 6 till 14. After 6 it is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So your answer is 8. And what is 8 minus 7? It is 1. And what is 5 minus 2? 3. So now we have finished our subtraction. Now we have to check whether our subtraction is right or wrong. Our difference is right or wrong. So what you have to do? You have to add these two numbers. That is the difference and the smaller number. If you add these two, you should get the bigger number. Okay, let us see. I am writing 318 plus 276. So add now. Start from the ones place. What is 8 plus 6? It is 14. So write only 4 here. 1 will be in the carryover. What is 1 plus 1? 2. 2 plus 7? It's 9. 3 plus 2? It is 5. So are you getting the bigger number? So if you get the bigger number, then you definitely say your subtraction is right. Thank you, children. Have a great day.